In this video, we're going to look at the differences between pages and posts. Now, there are a few technical differences, like posts will show up in an RSS feed where pages do not, and posts can take advantage of tags or categories, and by default, pages cannot. Now, we're going to dive deeper into what tags and categories are in upcoming videos. And there are a couple other differences between pages and posts, but you are likely only concerned with what is the difference that allows me to know when to create a post or when to create a page to handle a certain kind of content. Well, hopefully this will help. Look at pages as containers and posts as like articles or a place where you write down your ideas or put your favorite cat videos. Now, a page is more static, meaning that you create a page whenever you do not plan to make many changes, like for example your Contact Us or About page. And as I mentioned earlier, also look at pages as a container of sorts. A page like your home page can contain all of your posts listed in chronological order from newest on the top to oldest at the bottom. Or a category page or a search results page that contains all the posts of a particular category or all the resulting posts of your search. Let's look at this example site here that contains both pages and posts, and hopefully this will help you better visualize these differences. Now at this point we are on the home page, and we've got all the posts listed here in order of the date, or chronological order of the date, earliest to oldest. Earliest being on top, oldest at the bottom. And up here we have what's called a menu or a navigation bar that contains various pages. And I should mention that a lot of this stuff is by default, and the deeper into these videos that we get, the more customizations I'm going to be showing you how to do, where you can change some of these default settings. For example, having posts up here in your navigation bar, or changing the chronological order of your posts on the home page, or adding tags and categories to your pages. Again, these are just things beyond the scope of this particular video, but I did want to mention right now that a lot of this stuff is customizable with WordPress. And before I close out this video on pages and posts, and then in the next couple of videos get into tags and categories, creating an actual post, creating an actual page, I do want to mention that not all WordPress sites have to have posts, but they all have to have pages. A prime example of this is that a lot of my sales sites that use WordPress are just pages. For example, my homepage will be where the sales copy is and the buy now buttons. And I'll have another page where is a thank you page. In other words, after you've made a successful payment, you're redirected back to the thank you page, and it contains some stuff and links to another page that has the download links. Zero posts. No posts are needed whatsoever in that type of a WordPress site. But every site has to have at least one page, even if it's just a home page that contains all of the posts of their favorite dog and cat videos and such. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on the difference between pages and posts. And don't worry if it's totally confusing to you, because as we get deeper into this volume and start creating different posts and different pages, it'll start to become more clear when you should use a post and when you should use a page. But for now, thanks for watching, and you have a great day.